Okay, here's question number 6 on 6-1. And this is quite a common question for this region, right? Connecticut ends up being a huge capital for insurance. So this problem says, suppose a life insurance company sells a $200,000 one-term year life policy to a 22-year-old female for $180. Now, the probability that the female survives the year, right, or doesn't die, that's a not as nice way to say that, but maybe more clear, is 99.9575. It's really unlikely that she'll die. Okay, so compute and interpret the expected value of this policy to the insurance company. Okay, so we're doing this from the perspective of the insurance company. So the first thing to do is just lay out your outcomes, right? This is going to be a probability distribution. The two things that can happen is she lives and that she dies. Okay. Now the probability that she lives, we just said was 99.9575, and the probability that she dies has just got to be the complement of that. So I just took this and I subtracted it from 1 to get 0.000425. Okay. So the first thing to do is get the outcomes, then the probabilities of the outcomes, and then the payouts. And again, these payouts are from the perspective of the insurance company, okay? Because that's what the question asks for. So we know that if she lives, the insurance company, if she lives the whole year, the insurance company just takes that $180, and that's profit for them, okay? Well, I don't know if it's revenue for them. They just take the $180. So they're up $180. If she dies, they have to pay out the $200,000. So why isn't this $200,000? Well, they still have collected the premium of $180. So this is really $200,000. This is $200,000 minus 180, right? Because even if she dies, they've still collected the $180. Okay, they don't give that back. If she dies, they give $200,000 out. So the net result for them is having to pay out $199,820. Okay, so that's getting this set up is the first key. The next thing is we want to find the expected value, which really is just going to be to multiply the probability times the payout in each of these things and then add it up. So that's what I've got on my next sheet. So here's the probability she lives times the probability of the $180, getting the $180. And for the insurance company, that's worth $179.92, just about. Now, here's the probability she dies times the, this is a negative number, not a minus like a subtraction, times what they'll have to pay out if she dies. And that is expected at $84.92 about. Okay, so then the entire expected value, or what they can expect in general for issuing these policies, is just the addition of these two things. So that's going to be $95. So sometimes they're going to write these policies, and most of the time the person lives. Every once in a while the person's going to die and they have to pay out, but they can expect in general to make $95 on these policies. Okay, so we just go back in. The expected value is $95. And which is the following interpretation? What's the following interpretation of expected value? And it's just what I said just a second ago. The insurance company expects to make an average profit of $95 on every one of these policies that they issue, for a 22-year-old female that they insure for 1 year. Okay, so I hope that helps on this question.